Hey everyone, I'm Serge, and today I'm going to tell you something that sounds completely crazy. How I got a professional website worth over $2,000 completely free. And no, I'm not talking about those DIY website builders where you have to learn everything yourself. This is about getting a fully custom website professionally built just for you. What I'm about to share isn't a sketchy growth hack or an illegal trick. It's actually an incredible opportunity I discovered while working in web development. My friend Maria runs Casa Sol, a beautiful home decor business specializing in Japandi-style furniture and vases. Last month, she needed a professional e-commerce website and started exploring her options. DIY website builders are amazing these days. They offer beautiful templates and powerful features which can help you create a professional site. The only catch? You need time to learn the platform and build everything yourself. With Maria already handling inventory, customer service, and marketing all by herself, she needed more than a done-for-you solution. She looked into professional developers, but got seriously discouraged when they quoted her thousands of dollars. She wanted a fully functional online store with product categories, shopping cart, secure checkout, the works. The quotes started at $2,000 for basic sites and went up to $5,000 for anything more detailed. Those prices are pretty standard in the industry, but they're really tough for small business owners. And here's where things get interesting. I was browsing web development forums one night when I spotted people talking about this platform that matches businesses with student developers, not freelancers, not agencies, actual university students who build real websites as part of their education. I know, sounds different. Why would anyone trust their business website to a student? But something about it caught my attention. This platform, WAcademy, has a brilliant idea. Instead of having students practice on fake projects, they match them with real businesses who need websites. I remember thinking, this is either going to be a total disaster or it's absolute genius. Yeah, I know. I can hear you say that the quality won't be good enough. And I had these exact same doubts too. Maria was super skeptical as well. We spent a whole evening going through their past projects, and I remember her saying, okay, but what's the catch here? The funny thing is, there really wasn't one. The student who worked on Maria's site was this super creative guy from Spain who was just genuinely excited to build something real. He kept sending us these progress updates, asking really thoughtful questions about the brand aesthetic and what kind of shopping experience Maria wanted for her customers. You should have seen Maria's face when we first previewed the website. All those worries about student quality just vanished. The site looked exactly like her brand. Clean, minimal, with this beautiful Japandi influence throughout. Even my tech-savvy friends were impressed when I showed them. Their reaction was always the same. Wait, a student made this? For free? What I love most about this whole experience is that it wasn't just about getting a free website. The whole process was managed for us. We didn't have to figure anything out on our own. Maria could focus on running her business while the website was being built exactly the way she wanted it. She actually stayed in touch with the student developer. She's been recommending him to other small business owners, and he's been using her site in his portfolio. It turned into this really cool win-win situation, which nobody expected. Sure, Maria still had to pay for hosting and domain stuff, just basic website costs everyone needs to cover. But compared to those initial quotes we got, it was such a relief. If you're interested in getting a professional website built for your business without spending thousands or learning new software, head over to WAcademy.io and apply. They'll handle everything for you, from design to development. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you like this story, hit subscribe for more real experiences from the small business world. See you next time.